Imagine pressing the gas pedal on your hybrid and feeling a sudden hesitation, or seeing that dreaded warning light pop up telling you the main battery is running on fumes even when it shouldn't be. That is exactly what happens when your car triggers the P0A7D code. It sounds technical, but it basically means the computer that manages your hybrid system thinks the state of charge in the high voltage battery pack is too low for current conditions. This isn't just a random glitch. The powertrain control module is constantly talking to the battery management system. Inside that big metal case in the back of your car, there are usually 28 individual modules made up of smaller cells, all working together like a rowing team. If the computer notices that the voltage is dropping too low, or if the resistance in those cells gets too high, it throws this code to protect the system. It is a severe issue because, in many cases, the car might disable the electric propulsion system entirely to prevent permanent damage. You might notice your fuel economy tanking, the car feeling sluggish, or the gas engine running constantly because the electric side has effectively gone on strike. Now, before you panic and think you need a completely new battery pack, there are a few things we need to look at. Sure, a failing battery pack is a common cause, especially if your odometer is showing over 100,000 miles, but it could also be something simpler. We often see issues with the cooling fans for the battery not working right, or even corrosion on the busbar connectors. Those are the metal strips that connect all the battery cells together. If they get green and crusty, electricity can't flow, and the computer thinks the battery is dead. To diagnose this, you're going to need a decent scanner and a digital volt ohm meter. Start with the basics. Look at the battery pack physically. Are there loose cables? Is there corrosion? If you see corrosion, cleaning that off might save you a huge repair bill. If everything looks clean, use your scanner to reset the code and go for a drive. If the code comes back, you have to dig deeper into the data, looking at the voltage of each individual block of cells. If one block is way lower than the others, that is your weak link. While you can replace individual bad cells, honestly, replacing the whole pack is usually the most reliable long-term fix. However, always double-check the temperature sensors and voltage sensors first with your meter, because if a $5 sensor is lying to the computer, it can look just like a failed battery.